Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 1, OV 89. Guru Prityartha Upavana Parijatadi Pushpavachaya Jana Gomaya Sada Sammarjana Guru Angana Jhadave. For the sake of the Guru, collect flowers such as the parijat and others from the garden. Sweep the courtyard of the Guru's abode and sprinkle water and smear it with the wash of cow dung. प्रथम स्नान संध्या करणे गुरुदेवार्थ गंध उगाळणे पंचामृत स्नान घालणे धूप दीपार्चनेसी. At the outset, bathe and chant the morning mantras, make fragrant paste and anoint the Gurudev with sandalwood. Bathe him with the 5 nectarial substances: milk, honey, ghee, curd and sugar. Burn incense and light the lamp. तदुपरी नैवेद्य समर्पणे आरती धूपारती करणे ऐसे जे सप्रेम घडणे अर्चननावया सकळा. Afterwards, offer Naivedya. Then, do Aarti with the lamp and the incense. In this way, doing all the services with love is called Archana or worship. आपुले हृदयची चित्कला शुद्ध बुद्ध स्वभाव निर्मला मूर्तीत आमंत्रुनी तिजला अर्चनाला लागावे. Begin the worship by making your heart and intelligence pure and sinless, having an unsullied disposition, and invoke the power of the deity within yourself. मगते चित्कला मागुती पूजनार्चन विसर्जनाती निज हृदयी पूर्वस्थिती अवस्थित करावी. Then recall that divine feeling after the archana is concluded, and in your heart restore the former state and establish it firmly within you. आता अवांतर भक्तीचे लक्षण गर्गाचार्यमती जाण मन होय गुण कीर्तनी तल्लीन होय विलीन हरिरंगी. Now, there are other modes of devotion. In the opinion of Gargacharya, when the mind is completely absorbed, singing the praises of God, it becomes one with Him, a mode of worship. अखंड आत्मानुसंधान कथा कीर्तन विहिताचरण हे तो पुढील भक्ती जाण शांडिल्य वचन हे ऐसे. Continuously being aware of one's real self, relating religious tales and songs, having disciplined behavior is another form of bhakti as described by Shandilya. जयामनी साधावे स्वहित ते तो आचरती वेदविहित कर्म निषिद्ध आणि अविहित टाळिती निजहित बाधक जे. Those who know what is good for themselves, follow the Vedas and act as prescribed by them, avoid prohibited and improper conduct and all things which are obstacles for one's own good. कोण्याही क्रियेचा वा फलाचा करता भोगता नाही मिसाचा हा भाव उपजे जै निरहंकृतीचा ब्रह्मार्पणाचा तो योग. I am not the doer of any action, nor the enjoyer of its fruits. When I feel this is an action which is devoid of ego and is the surrender to the Supreme Being for union with it. ऐसी या रीति कर्म करिता सहजी उपजे नैष्य कर्म्यता कर्म कदापि नये त्यागिता कर्म कर्तृता त्यागो ये. Perform all your actions in this way. Then, naturally, a stage is reached when you become a non-doer. Though it is not possible ever to disown karma, yet it is possible to disown the fruit of the karma. काट्याने काटा काढल्या वेण कर्म थांबेना कर्मा वाचून हाती लागता निजात्मक होण कर्म संपूर्ण राहील. Remove a thorn with the help of a thorn. To become a non-doer, you have to act according to the karmas. When realization takes place, then only the karma will end.